Things you must do before you upload your video on your channel. We've talked about things you must do after you've uploaded and published your video, and the things you must do before you upload your videos is as important. And these are the things that most of the established YouTubers do to remain relevant on YouTube. The first thing is for you to find a relevant title. Now, a lot of startup content creators make this mistake. They get into creating their videos before even start thinking of what title am I going to use, what thumbnail am I going to use. That is the wrong way to approach YouTube. You have to first of all find a relevant topic before you do anything with that video. Now let me show you how to get started using the YouTube Studio. So the first thing you have to do right here is to go to where you see analytics. You click on it like so, and you click right here on trends. You can actually do this using your mobile device. Now, when you click on trends right here, it's going to give you get ideas for your next video. Now, YouTube has a system to analyze what your audience are searching for and viewing on YouTube, and then they will tell you the topic that your audience are searching for so that you can create a video related to that, which will help you 1,000,000,000% on the visibility of your next video. So right here, what you have to do is to click right here where you see all, and then you scroll below. You're going to see different topics that your audience are searching for, and what YouTube does is to tell you how much your audience wants this video, how much their desire is. Let me show you how. Now click on any topic right there if you're following me right there, and you will see right here YouTube channel problem solve, very high interest. So your audience are highly in need of these videos. Now, if you scroll below, that's not all. YouTube actually gives you the top searches for this topic. Now, it gives you different topics that you can actually have, like titles, under the same topic. We have 3 right here. We have what is the problem of YouTube? YouTube channel delete problem. YouTube channel analytics problem. So under this, you have 3 titles that you can use if you're creating a video related to this. Now let's go back and check on the others. Remember, this is very high interest. Now let's click on this one right here and see we also have high interest, and if you go below, you would see 3 other titles that YouTube is proposing for you. All right, I just want you to see how much YouTube is effective when it comes to what you can create next on your video. Here we also have very high interest. So the first 3 topics we have, they are high interest for your audience. Let's go to the ones below to save time. And right here we have how to program your mind for success. Very low interest from your viewers, okay? So when you see this kind of title, make sure you avoid it. Now you could go again and let's go to those below. Let's take this one here. Medium interest. So when you go through your trends and you see the title that has very high interest, then that is the title you should use, and that is the kind of video you should create at that time. When you do this, you are already preparing for success for that video. That is the first thing you have to do to check the kind of title you should get on your next video. Now, beside that, you can also go right here to YouTube search and also search for topics that are trending at this time. Let's take a topic like this: how to grow your YouTube channel, right? This is what we do mostly on this channel. So you can just go below and see the videos that are trending at that time. All right, this one is 4 months ago. It has 190k views. When you're searching on this, make sure that before you decide to use that title, it's a title that is trending at that time. Now, if you see right here, this video is 4 months ago, which means we are not really sure if that video would do well. Let's go below and see. This one is 6 months ago, 108k views. This one 4 weeks ago, 275 views. I mean, this one is close. I like you to always check videos that are closer to the time you're about to create yours. All right, videos that are a month old are too far and that video or those videos might not really do well. Now, to narrow down your search well so that you don't get videos that are 1 month ago, 2 months ago, 1 year ago, you can come right here to where you see filters. Okay, you click on it just like so, and here we have search filters, upload date, time, duration, filter, and sort by. Let's start right here, upload date. You can select last hour, today, this week, this month, this year. Let's take this week because any video that is doing well this week can do well on your channel. All right, the probability is high. It's higher than 1 month, it's higher than 1 year, and the rest. Now let's go back to filters and come right here. Yes, we want videos, right? And duration right here, we want a video between 4 to 20 minutes. We go back to filter again. We come back here and we can choose 4K. We want videos that were shot with 4K. We come back here again. We click on it and sort by relevance, update, view, count. Now, when you're deciding on your title, make sure that you select a title that has the highest views. Now, select a title that has maybe 500K views and above, or at least 200K views and above. This is so that your video, if you are having about, let me say, 10 views, your channel ranges between 10 views, 100 views. When you get a trending title like that, you might go up even to 1,000 views because that title is trending at that time. Now, let's go ahead to see the results. These are the results that we have. This is 5 days ago, 5 days, and this is 1.1 million views. Let's go further. This is 4 days ago, 49K views. Not bad. It's okay. It's just 4 days ago. It's not up to a week. Below, we still have, let's see, 2 days ago, 21K views. 5 days ago, 15K views, and all that. Now, if I were to select a title right here, what I will select is this one with 1.1 million views for the past 5 days. And what I would do is take this topic and then I make a script for my YouTube channel. If you go to your YouTube studio and you check on the trends and you come right here and the titles match, then you are working towards progress. This is something you must do before you upload your videos or before you create that video. Don't just go ahead and select any topic and you go ahead create the video before you start searching for the title you want to use on that video. Now, this is just the first thing you have to do. The second thing you have to do is to make your script, right? You can either write it down or you can use an AI tool to help you do that. Now, let me show you how you can do this. The first thing is to copy that title, right, that you're sure of, okay? Right here on ChatGPT, make a script for YouTube on the title and then you paste the title you've copied, right? The title you're sure of, and you click right here on enter, just giving a prompt like this, and ChatGPT is going to script out a YouTube script on the title you have given them. And when you're done with this, the next thing you have to do, the third thing you must do, is for you to design your thumbnail. Your thumbnail is not done after you have already done your videos. Your thumbnail is done after you've gotten the title and made the script, so you will know exactly what kind of thumbnail to do. Now let's return right here. YouTube has already, ChatGPT has made a script for us right here, and we have YouTube script right there. It has every detail, scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, on how you can do the breakdown of your video. These things are very important. Your title, your script, and your thumbnail. You must do these 3 things before you start recording that video. The next thing you must do before you upload your video is immediately when you have edited the video and you want to upload this video on your YouTube channel. Now let me show you. A lot of content creators make this mistake. Even if this is just helping you, let's say 1% or 0.2% to get you more views, it is still very important because that 0.2 can make a difference with the amount of views you get on your videos. Title, your video, and your thumbnail. Let me show you something. Now, first of all, let's start with the thumbnail. Let's just click on the thumbnail right here on my Canva app. All right, let me show you what you have to do. Now, right here, we are done with the thumbnail and we want to download it. So if you click right here on share, you click on download. When it is downloaded, if you look right here on file name, the file name right here is add a heading. Now, most of us make this mistake. We just go ahead to click save and then we use the thumbnail like that. What is add a heading? It's not helping your video in any way, because when you upload this kind of thumbnail, it is not telling the algorithm exactly what this thumbnail is about. So you have to put a file name. Let's remember the file name we had. Put the same title you're going to use for that video right here. Now, this is helping your video because YouTube, when YouTube has your thumbnail, it knows exactly where you are directing to, which is the same title that you're going to use on that video. So you save it with that title and then you go and do the same with your videos, because when your video is downloaded from the app that you're editing with, it comes with a strange file name that cannot help your channel. So let's take, for example, we want to download this video from our Google Drive to use. All right, you just click right here and you download the video. Here is the video downloading. Okay, as you can see right here, it already has a file name, screen recording 2025/07 and all that. Now you have to change this title name, and this is what you have to do. You must do this before you upload this video on your channel. Now go to your device, all right, and find that video. Now here is the video right here, screen recording 2025. Now what you have to do here is to right click on it just like so, come right here to properties, and then you delete this title, this file name you have right there, and put the file name that you have, the file name you're going to use as title to your video, and you click right here on OK. Now we have the video right here, we have the thumbnail right here, and the title we're going to use will align to it, which will give more weight to that video. So make sure the file name of your video and the file name of your thumbnail is the same with what you're going to use as title on that video. These are things you must do before you upload your video, or you are already preparing for failure of that video. So when you do this on your videos, you would see a drastic change on the amount of views you get on your channel. And as you keep doing it on all your videos, your channel will keep progressing, keep growing, and keep getting better. Thank you also very much for watching this video till the end. I hope you got value. Implement this and let us know on the comment section how it turns out for you. Love you all. If you've not yet subscribed on this channel, make sure you click on that like, you subscribe, you turn on your notification bell so you will not miss out on any of our videos. Until next time, never give up on anything you do. Bye bye.